Building a morning routine that works. A good morning routine can change your life. It sets the tone for the day, giving you energy, focus, and motivation. Yet many people struggle with mornings. They wake up feeling tired, rush through their morning, and start their day feeling stressed. But mornings don't have to be chaotic. With the right routine, you can take control of your day before it even begins. Building a morning routine that works is not about copying someone else's routine. It's about creating one that fits your life, your goals, and your personality. A perfect morning routine is one that makes you feel good, helps you grow, and prepares you for the day ahead. Mornings are special because they offer a fresh start. Each morning is a new opportunity to improve, to grow, and to get closer to your goals. How you spend your morning affects your entire day. If you start your day feeling calm, organized, and positive, that energy will carry through the rest of the day. A good morning routine helps you reduce stress, increase focus and productivity, improve mental and physical health, build better habits, feel more in control of your life. If you often wake up feeling tired, unmotivated, or overwhelmed, it's time to change that. The secret is in the way you start your day. Waking up early. One of the most powerful habits you can develop is waking up early. Many successful people wake up before sunrise because it gives them extra time to focus on themselves before the world gets busy. Waking up early allows you to start the day calmly instead of rushing. If you're not used to waking up early, start slowly. Set your alarm just 10 to 15 minutes earlier than usual and gradually increase the time. The key is consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps your body adjust. A common mistake people make is hitting the snooze button. It might feel good at the moment, but it actually makes you more tired. Instead of pressing snooze, train yourself to get out of bed as soon as the alarm rings. One trick is to place your alarm clock or phone across the room so you have to get up to turn it off. Hydration and refreshing. Start after waking up. The first thing you should do is drink water. Your body gets dehydrated overnight, and drinking water in the morning helps wake you up and boost your metabolism. Next, refresh yourself. Washing your face, brushing your teeth, and taking a shower can make you feel awake and ready for the day. If you feel sleepy, splash cold water on your face. It works instantly. Movement and exercise. Moving your body in the morning is a great way to wake up and feel energized. It doesn't have to be a long workout. Even a few minutes of stretching, yoga, or a short walk can make a difference. If you like running, a morning run can be a great way to clear your mind and boost your energy. Exercise in the morning improves circulation, increases alertness, and releases endorphins, which make you feel happier. It also builds discipline. When you start your day with movement, you feel more confident and ready to face challenges. If you're new to exercise, start small. Just 5 minutes of stretching or walking can have a big impact. The key is to make movement a daily habit. Mindfulness and gratitude. A strong morning routine isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. Taking a few moments to be mindful and grateful can set a positive tone for the day. Mindfulness means being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can be as simple as sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, or doing a short meditation. Even just 1 minute of deep breathing can make you feel calmer and more focused. Gratitude is another powerful habit. Each morning, take a moment to think about 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small: your health, family, the sunshine, or even a good cup of tea. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's good in your life, creating a positive mindset. Planning your day. A great way to avoid stress is to plan your day in the morning. Take a few minutes to review your tasks and set your priorities. When you have a plan, you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day. What are the most important things you need to accomplish? Focusing on a few key tasks helps you stay productive without feeling overloaded. Avoid checking your phone or emails first thing in the morning. It's easy to get distracted by messages and social media, but this can set a reactive tone for the day. Instead, focus on your routine first, then check your messages later. A healthy breakfast. Your body needs fuel to function well, and breakfast is your first source of energy for the day. A healthy breakfast helps you stay focused, improves mood, and prevents mid-morning energy crashes. Choose foods that give you lasting energy, like whole grains, protein, fruits, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary cereals or processed foods that cause a quick spike in energy followed by a crash. If you're not used to eating breakfast, start small. Even a simple smoothie, yogurt, or nuts can make a difference. Reading and learning. Morning is a great time for self-improvement. Reading, listening to an audiobook, or learning something new can inspire you and expand your knowledge. Even just 10 minutes of reading can make a difference over time. Choose books that motivate and educate you. Reading positive and inspiring content in the morning sets a good mental tone for the day. It's like feeding your mind with good thoughts before you start your tasks. If reading isn't your thing, you can listen to podcasts or audiobooks while getting ready or having breakfast. Building consistency. The key to a successful morning routine is consistency. Doing it once or twice won't change much, but repeating it daily will create powerful habits that improve your life. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one or two habits and focus on making them part of your routine. Once they become natural, add more. Be patient with yourself. Some mornings will be easier than others, and that's okay. The goal is not to be perfect, but to be consistent. If you miss a morning, don't feel discouraged. Just get back on track the next day. What matters is progress, not perfection. Customizing your routine. There is no one-size-fits-all morning routine. What works for someone else might not work for you. The key is to experiment and find what makes you feel good and productive. Your routine should match your goals and lifestyle. If you're a student, your routine might include studying or reading. If you're focusing on fitness, you might prioritize exercise. If you want more calmness, you might include meditation or journaling. Listen to your body and mind. Some people love early mornings, while others prefer a slower start. Adjust your routine to fit your natural rhythm. The impact of a strong morning routine. When you build a morning routine that works, your life changes. You feel more in control, more confident, and more focused. Instead of starting the day in a rush, you start with intention and purpose. A good morning routine reduces stress and anxiety, improves energy and focus, builds self-discipline and confidence, creates time for personal growth, helps you achieve your goals faster. Think of your morning as the foundation of your day. If the foundation is strong, the rest of the day will be easier. Start today. You don't need to wait the perfect time to start. The best time to begin is now. Choose one habit and start adding it to your morning. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even small changes like drinking water first thing in the morning or stretching for 5 minutes can have a big impact. Take control of your mornings and you'll take control of your life. The way you start your day shapes everything that follows. Make your mornings powerful and success will follow.